offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Leela, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Swami Maharaj, Srila Guruvanda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakam, Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod, Puri Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests.
Tout d'abord, Maharaj offre ses hommages les plus respectueux au pied prérogatif de ses maîtres spirituels, leur divine grâce, Shri Bhaktivedanta Brahman Goswami Maharaj, Shri Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj, Shri Bhaktivedanta A.C., Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, ainsi que Shri Govinda, Shri Bhaktivedanta Chitara Goswami Maharaj, ainsi que Shri Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, et ainsi que tous les dévots anciens et tous les Vaishnavas rassemblés ici.
So just I want to speak few words. For purification my tongue.
Maharaj va dire donc quelques mots pour sa propre purification.
And all you are very qualified, but still I have to speak few words.
Vous êtes tous qualifiés, mais je vais quand même essayer de dire quelques paroles.
Bhaka madhe, what is called? Hansa jatha. No, Hansa madhe bhaka jatha. Here is the very nice, many also Rajhansa. Rajhansa, understand?
King Swan.
King
Swan.
Royal Swan. And what will that the crane is there? All were swan. Or I am like crane. Can you understand? Baka. So Hansa madhe baka jatha. Hansa means royal swan, drink the milk and throw the water. What? This is the nature of the swan. So all you are taking all the essence of Srimad Bhagavatam, Ved, Puran, Upanishad. So what will speak to you? I have no word to speak. But when you read Granthas, Srimad Bhagavatam, and listen Hari Katha from Gurupad Padma, and also our previous acharyas, then heart is overjoyed. All our Guru Vargas explain, especially Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is called the embodiment of munificent and magnanimity. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, don't worry, just come to me, I will give everything you. Then, if you have no container, I will give container and also give highest prem to you. Then, so for this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is called Udarjamay Bhagavan.
Maharaj explique qu'il est ici comme un héron au milieu de signes, les sages que vous êtes. Et donc, qu'est-ce qu'il pourrait nous apprendre qu'on ne sache déjà? Donc, il a dit, mais je vais quand même essayer de prononcer quelques paroles. Il a dit aussi que le Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu est venu donner dans sa magnificence et munificence, il est venu donner le pur amour de Dieu, la chose la plus élevée, et que si on n'a pas, nous, le récipient pour contenir ce qu'il est venu nous donner, il fournira également son récipient.
Right? Because in this Kali Yuga, only Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will give Braja Prem. No one can give Braja Prem.
Dans ce Kali Yuga, seulement Chaitanya Mahaprabhu est capable de donner l'amour de Braj.
In Chaitanya Chaitamritam Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami quoted this verse. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Ama bina Braja Prem nahi anya dite. Except me, no one can Braja Prem. Only I will give Braja Prem.
Dans Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explique que le Seigneur dit que seul lui était en mesure de donner ce vrai plein et l'autre.
So, in this Kali Yuga, our Ishtadev, worshipful deities, Sachinandana Gaur Hari.
Donc, Sri Gaurahari, lui, dans ce Kali Yuga, est notre Ishtadev, notre
And how will completely, absolutely surrender lotus feet of Sachinandana Gaur Hari.
Comment s'abandonner complètement à ses pieds par les lotus?
Thus Prabhuji glorified our Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Brahma, Shiva, Narada, Sukha Saran, Shiva Sukha, Narada, Preme Gada Gada, Bhakati Vinode Dekhe, Gorar Sampad. In transcendental world. All the worship, the lotus feet of Sachinandana Gaur Hari.
Comme on l'a dit tout à l'heure, dans ce chant de Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, dans le monde spirituel, toutes les âmes glorifient Sri Sachinandana Gaur Hari.
And Brahmaji, Shivji, all the elevated high class every Guru Vaishnavas, they paying their obeisances lotus feet of Sachinandana Gaur Hari.
Brahma, Shiva, tous adorent et offrent leurs hommages aux pieds par les lotus de Sri Gaur Hari.
Because in this Kali Yuga, only Sachinandana Gaur Hari, he will give prayer.
Parce que seulement lui est capable dans ce Kali Yuga de donner le prayer divin.
So our aim and object, how to completely, absolutely surrender lotus feet of Sachinandana Gaur Hari.
Donc c'est notre but, notre seul but, c'est de nous abandonner aux pieds par les lotus de Sri Gaur Hari.
But now we try to understand who is Sachinandana Gaur Hari.
On doit comprendre qui il est véritablement.
Who is he? He is called the combined form of Radha and Krishna.
Il est la forme combinée de Sri Radha et Krishna.
Radha Krishna Milita Tanu Sachinandana Gaur Hari. And Radha and Krishna now combined form manifest in the form of Sachinandana Gaur Hari.
Radha et Krishna sont combinés, sont manifestés sous la forme de Sri Gaur Hari.
And Sachinandana Gaur Hari indiscriminately distribute the highest prem to everybody.
Et donc il a distribué Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sans discrimination cet amour à tous les êtres.
Anarpita Charing Chirat Koruna Avatirna Kalu Samarpayatu Unnata Ujjalasam Sabakti Sriyam Harihi Pradasundara Didi Kadama Sandirpita Sada Hidaya Kandare Spuratuba Sachinandana. Rupa Goswami Pad Vidagda Madhav Natakam composed these bars.
Donc Srila Rupa Goswami a composé ce verset, la gloire de Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu dans le Vedanta Madhava.
But Rupa Goswami Pad, when recited this verse in the assembly house of Sarva Damodar, Rai Ramananda, and also Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was there. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu heard this, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, or this Grantha is very beautiful, good, very nice.
Donc, lorsque Sri Rupa Goswami a prononcé ce verset en présence de Swami Damodar, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, celui-ci a déclaré que ce verset, que cet ouvrage était très très élevé et était très bien.
And especially Rupa Goswami true Grantha is very important. That is called Vidagda Madhav and Lalit Madhav.
Donc Rupa Goswami a écrit deux ouvrages particulièrement,
Vidagda Madhav.
Lalita Madhav et Vidanta Madhav.
So Vidagda Madhav Natakam. This sloka is coming. Anarpita Charing Chirat Koruna Avatirna Kalu. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, you are very nice Grantha. But then you prepare very nice, beautiful things. But put one drop of alcohol.
Not get it Maharaj.
Prepared a very nice preparation in the form of Lalit Madhav, but you put one drop
Lalit
of
Madhav.
alcohol.
Ah, donc Chaitanya Mahaprabhu a dit, tu as composé une magnifique œuvre dans ce Vidanta Madhava, en composant ce Vidanta, mais tu l'as pollué parce que tu lui as ajouté une goutte d'alcool, ce qui l'a dénaturé.
If you bring the pure water, but one drop of alcohol is there, that water is what? Useless and contaminated. You cannot use this water worship to Thakurji.
Si vous ajoutez une goutte d'alcool à de l'eau, cette eau devient impure et on ne peut pas l'utiliser pour l'adoration de Thakurji.
And in the same way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, your Grantha is very nice, everything is very pure, but my name is there. So for this regard, this is also useless.
Tu as composé quelque chose de magnifique, mais il y a une souillure parce que tu as mis mon nom, donc ça devient complètement inutile cet ouvrage.
Then Sarvabhauma Damodar Prabhu told Prabhu, no, very nice, beautiful. He prepared very nice, beautiful sweet rice. Then put very nice, pure, what is it called? Camphor. And so now this sweet rice is very sweet also.
Sarvabhauma Damodar a lui ajouté qu'en réalité il avait préparé un magnifique sweet rice, un rigolet, et qu'il avait ajouté un peu de camphor.
So that means your name is in this book. So for this regard, if you can understand how you and magnificent and magnanimity.
Mais comme ça on comprend que ton nom il est magnificent et généreux.
So I am saying this thing because in this Kali Yuga, Rupa Goswami Pad, he wrote this verse. Anarpita charing chirat korunaya avatirna kalo samarpayatu unnatu ujjala sansabhakti sriyam harihi prata sundara dudi kadava sandir pita sada hriday kandari sparatu bha Sachinandan. Lord Sachinandan Gaur Hari manifest in the heart of all the living entities.
Rupa Goswami explique pourquoi Maharaj dit ça, parce qu'il pense à Rupa Goswami qui a composé ce verset Anarpita charing chirat et que Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu il est dans le cœur de tous les êtres.
And the Sachinandan Gaur Hari, he will give mercy. No one can give mercy.
Et nul autre que lui ne peut donner la miséricorde.
Millions births you worship Radha and Krishna, but you will not get highest Braja Prem.
Si on adore Radha et Krishna pendant des milliers d'années, on ne pourra pas nécessairement obtenir Braja Prem.
But just to surrender Sachinandan Gaur Hari,
Donc il faut simplement s'abandonner à ces grands-là.
then automatically Braja Prem, Radha Prem will manifest in your heart.
Automatiquement, l'amour de Braja Prem se manifestera dans notre cœur.
Jatha Jatha Gauro Padara Vindet Vindet Bhuva Kit Punna Punja Tata Tara Sarpit Hri Akasma Radha Padambujo Sudhambu Rasi. Just to surrender Sachinandan Gaur Hari.
Ce verset dit qu'il faut simplement s'abandonner préparer le
Not do anything, just to say, yes, Sachinandan Gaur Hari, I am yours. I am completely surrendered your lotus feet.
complètement à toi, je t'appartiens.
Then Radha Prem will manifest in your heart.
Ainsi, l'amour de Radha se manifeste.
Jatha Jatha Gaura Padar Vindet Bhakti Krita Punna Rashi Tatha Tada Sarpi Hri Akasmat Radha Padambujo Sudhambu Rashi. What will do bhajan and sadhan? It's a Kali Yuga. What will do bhajan and sadhan? Nothing. Morning I told. And Satta Yugas, people they perform meditation, dhyana. In this Kali Yuga, very difficult to dhyana. And close your eyes, automatically what? Sleepiness will come. Distraction will come. So how to do that? Kritujadhyatu Vishnu Tritang Jajati Mukhi Dapare Parichajjan or Kalu Kesava Sankirtanam. And this Kali Yuga, Nam Sankirtan. Morning I told. Satta Yuga, the people they meditate to Lord, meditation to Lord. Right? Because in Satta Yugas, people they alive how many years? 100,000 years old.
Et donc, quelle autre meilleure pratique sadhana et bhajan dans le Kali Yuga on est plus capable, comme dans le Satya Yuga, de méditer, de pratiquer la méditation. Il suffit qu'on ferme les yeux pour qu'on s'endorme. Donc dans la Pala Yuga, on avait une autre forme d'adoration, mais ouais.
You write your paper, then you write it, otherwise you forget. Kritaja dhyato visnum tritan jajate makai. And Treta Yuga, people they perform fire sacrifice.
Treta Yuga, la méthode d'adoration, c'était les sacrifices, le feu de sacrifice.
At Dapar Yuga, people they worship to Lord, Archan.
Dans le Dwapara Yuga, on pratiquait l'Archana, l'adoration du Seigneur.
Now can you do proper will not do Archan. One paraphernalia coming, another paraphernalia missing. Hola. No fala. If you do Archan, if you not all ingredients is here also.
Et donc, à pratiquer l'adoration, on n'a pas non plus tous les ingrédients nécessaires pour l'adoration.
And incense coming, then ghee lamp missing.
Il suffit que l'encens soit fait pour que la lampe de ghee soit.
Ghee lamp coming, then chamar missing.
Si on a la lampe de ghee, elle nous prend le chamara.
So what you do the Archan? The flowers not coming also.
Oui, on entend le fleur.
Then another flower coming, I don't know. Where is coming? The Kali Yuga, what is it? This is what just okay, do Arati very quick. So what is your Arati? For Dapar Yugas, people they attend to Lord performing and Archana. And to worship to Lord. So for this regard, Shastra is saying, Kali Yuga.
Donc, durant le Dwapara Yuga, on adorait par cette méthode qui était l'Archana. Mais dans le Kali Yuga, il en va différemment.
So Kali Yuga, very simple way, what will do? Chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Kali Nam Sanket.
Dans le Kali Yuga, c'est le chant des saints noms qui est préconisé.
You are chanting holy names means you perform all activities of Satta, Treta, Dapar, everything.
En chantant le saint nom du Seigneur, on pratique toutes les méthodes de réalisation spirituelle des autres âges.
The fruits of meditation, the fruits of fire sacrifice, the fruits of Archan, everything you will get, just simply chant holy names.
On obtiendra tous les fruits de toutes les autres méthodes d'adoration par la pratique du chant des saints noms.
But how will chant holy names? With some faith, Shraddha.
On doit chanter le saint nom avec foi pour obtenir cette foi.
Even you have no Shraddha, Shraddha Heloi Ebaba. If you no Shraddha, no problem. Hela. Hela means you have no desire to chant holy names. Anyhow you chant holy names, Nam Prabhu will give fruits to you.
Même si on n'a pas la foi, si on chante comme ça de manière sans foi, on obtiendra quand même des résultats par le chant de saint.
Mangala Makalang Sakala Nigamapalli Sat Saru Bhrigubarataro Matra Tarayate Krishna Nam Shraddha Heloya Ebaba. With Shraddha or without Shraddha. Anyhow we chant holy names, Nam Prabhu will give fruits.
On chante avec foi ou sans foi, on obtiendra. Nam Prabhu nous donnera les résultats.
Sanketang Parihasang Stobang Helonang Ebaba. Vaikuntha Nama Grahanang Asisagarang Viduriti. Nama was coming. In 4 ways.
Donc, le chant de saint nom, Namabas, ne serait-ce qu'un semblant de saint nom, vient sous 4 formes.
So in this Kali Yuga, Lord invested all his potencies in his holy names.
Le Seigneur, dans ce Kali Yuga, a investi tous ses puissances dans les saints noms.
This is your word. Chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan. But you chant holy names with the assistance of sadhu. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan.
On va chanter les saints noms dans la compagnie des Vaishnavas, des dévots.
If you chant alone, maybe you will get fruits or not. Some doubts.
En chantant seul, on pourra peut-être obtenir des fruits ou pas.
But you chant holy names with the devotees of Lord.
Il faut chanter dans la compagnie des dévots du Seigneur.
100% you will get the fruits.
Ainsi, on tiendra 100% assuré le résultat.
Tulsidas, he gave an example.
Tulsidas donne un exemple.
If you go to the market, buy some sweets, and in the sweets you can say they also some, what is it called, paper is there also. The paper box is giving or no? They went and contain packaging. So that is also the same price, sweets price and also paper price are same, cost is same. Do you understand or no? Not understand.
The packaging, the price of the packaging is included in
the
price
sweet.
of the sweet.
Just you give this sweet, 1 kilo sweet, how many kilo? 1 kilo how many? Just you tell. How many? Okay, he's saying 5 pounds. As a 5 euro. And this paper, how much euro? 1 cent. But this paper is what? When you giving the sweet with the paper box, same price. Not extra charge with the same.
Tulsidas explique que si vous allez au marché pour acheter des friandises, que vous obtiendrez l'emballage avec le papier qui l'enveloppe pour le même prix. Supposons que les friandises coûtent 5 €, l'emballage de papier va coûter 1 centime, mais ça sera compris dans le prix que vous achetez les friandises.
So in Nam Sankirtan, when you chant holy names with the sadhu, then automatically Lord will listen your prayer.
De la même manière, quand vous chantez des saints noms en compagnie des Vaishnavas, des sadhus, alors le Seigneur entendra votre
So
prière.
sadhu sangha Nam Sankirtan.
Tous les deux sadhus sont dans la Sankirtan.
Understand? Ekaki aman nahi payo bolo Hari Nama Sankirtane. Are tumi kripa kori Sadha bindu diya Deha Krishna Namodane. Oye Vaishnava Thakura Dayar Sagara Edase Koruna Kori. Are diya pada chaya Sodaye amare Tomara charana dori. Chaya begadami Chaya dosa sadi Chaya guna devadase. Are chaya sata sanga Dehaye amare Vasechi sange rayase. Ekaki amaro nahi payo bala Hari Nama Sankirtane. Are tumi kripa kori Sada bindu diya tumi kripa kori Deha Krishna Namodane. Krishna se tomaro hite paro Tomara sakatiyati. Ar amita kangala Krishna Krishna boli amita kangala Krishna Krishna boli Hai tava pache pache. Jai Srila Gurudev ki Jai. Eh? This is the process. If you chant holy names alone, maybe Lord will listen or not. Maybe, maybe not, he said.
Le processus, c'est que si on chante le saint nom du Seigneur seul, le Seigneur pourra entendre ou ne pas entendre, il n'y a pas de certitude.
But if you chant holy names with the assistance of sadhu,
Si on chante le saint nom en compagnie des sadhus,
then 100% guarantee
c'est garanti.
Lord will listen your prayer.
Le Seigneur entendra notre prière, notre chant.
Bolo Vrindavan Vihari La. Let's tell one small story, then you understand.
One small story.
Gurudev told very nice, beautiful katha is there. Just repeat Gurudev katha.
Donc, le Gurudev, Maharaj va répéter une histoire qu'il a entendue du Gurudev.
Once one village, maybe few months, maybe 3, 4, 5 months, 6 months, no rain.
Donc, il n'a pas plu pendant 3 jusqu'à 6 mois.
And completely what? What is called? Dry. Drought.
Tout avait séché.
Without water you cannot live.
Sans eau, on ne peut pas vivre.
Water, one name is called Pran, Jal.
Un autre nom de l'eau, c'est Pranjal.
Understand? Life. Without water you cannot live.
Sans eau, on ne peut pas vivre.
So that all the villagers they think what will do now.
Donc, les villageois demandaient que faire maintenant.
Maybe Lord is very angry with us.
Peut-être que le Seigneur est très en colère.
So for this regard, rain not coming.
Pourquoi il ne fait pas?
What will do now? Then all the villagers they meet together in one place.
Les villageois sont rassemblés à un endroit.
And they decided, or tomorrow, all will come to the temple and pray to Lord. Lord will listen our prayer.
Ils ont décidé demain on ira prier au temple et le Seigneur entendra nos prières.
So according to our scheduled time, all the villagers, they came in the temple.
Ils sont donc venus comme ça tous au temple.
And then one small boy, he also came.
Il y a aussi un enfant, un jeune enfant. Qui est venu aussi.
And that small boy, he brought one umbrella under his underpit.
Et il a porté un parapluie sous les scènes.
Then everybody laughed and joked with him.
Tout le monde se moquait de lui.
Hey, why did you bring this umbrella?
Pourquoi t'as apporté ça, disaient les hommes villageois.
That boy, he told. We also together here.
Et l'enfant a répondu, nous sommes maintenant tous assemblés ici.
And pray to Lord.
Et a prié le Seigneur.
God will listen our prayer.
Donc c'est sûr, le Seigneur va entendre nos prières.
And so when heavy rain will come, how to return back my home?
Et donc quand la pluie va tomber, comment je vais pouvoir retourner chez moi?
Then people, they also laughed and joked.
Et tout le monde a ri, tout le monde s'est moqué de lui.
6 months there is no rain.
Et il n'a pas plu depuis 6 mois.
How possible now rain will come?
Comment c'est possible que la pluie tombe?
Look, the sky completely neat and clean. No
Regarde le ciel.
sign of
Le ciel, il n'y a aucun signe de pluie.
cloud, nothing. Understand? That time not weather, what is called? Forecast.
Donc, il n'y a pas de prévision météorologique.
So why you bring this umbrella?
Pourquoi tu as porté ce parapluie?
But that boy, he told, no, I have faith. They all were together and pray to Lord. Lord will give the rain. The rain will come.
L'enfant avait répondu qu'il avait foi, que comme on était tous rassemblés maintenant, et par nos prières, le Seigneur allait faire pleuvoir.
Some they laughed and joked. I am small boy.
Et les villageois ne croyaient toujours pas, se moquaient de lui.
You have no brain.
Il n'y avait aucune intelligence, pensait-il.
No rain, no brain, no rain.
Pas de pluie, pas d'intelligence.
No brain, no rain. Abbas, you are not intelligent. Hey, or maybe rain will come not today, maybe after 2-3 days, 5 days.
Peut-être que la pluie va tomber, mais après 2-3 jours, 5
Hein?
jours.
But today, how possible rain will come?
Mais aujourd'hui, c'est pas possible.
Hein? But that boy, he told, no, I have faith. Because all we are here together. And when we pray to Lord, Lord will give. Immediately, Lord will give rain.
Le garçon a répété qu'il avait complètement foi que la pluie allait tomber.
Then according to the scheduled time, then all people, they pray to Lord in the temple.
Donc les gens sont mis à prier à un moment précis.
They stop to Lord.
On prie au Seigneur pour qu'il fasse pleuvoir.
And then suddenly also rain coming.
Et d'un seul coup, il a plu.
Lightning
Des éclairs dans le ciel.
and heavy rain. Jum, 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 jum,
La
jum.
pluie battante s'est abattue.
Then everybody did that, oh, Lord is very merciful. Lord, listen our prayer.
Tout le monde s'est dit, oh, le Seigneur est tellement miséricordieux, il a entendu nos prières.
And in the meantime, one aerial sound came.
Et à ce moment-là, une voix céleste.
Said, hey, police villagers.
Et villageois stupide.
Actually, rain is coming. I did not listen your prayers.
Si j'ai fait pleuvoir, c'est pas pour avoir.
Because all you are foolish.
Vous êtes tous sots.
No faith with me.
Foi en moi.
But this boy, small boy, who brought the umbrella.
Cet enfant qui a porté son.
And I listened his
J'ai entendu ses
prayer. Huh? You understand? So I am giving the rain.
pourquoi je donne.
Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal Ki Jai. So this is the process. So for this regard, in this song also explained. Ekaki amar nahi paye bol Hari Naman Sankirtane. तुम्हें कृपा करी श्रद्धा बिंदु दिया देह कृष्ण नाम धन कृष्ण से तुम्हार कृष्ण दीदे पारो तुम्हार सकत किया है so this is the process also when all together pray to Lord, Lord will listen, but Lord will listen whose prayer? Who has faith, who completely surrender to Lord.
Le Seigneur entendra nos prières si on se rassemble, si on est tous rassemblés, comme il dit, cette prière.
You know, Krishna disappeared from the Ras dance.
Krishna a disparu de la danse rase.
And gopis, they felt frank of separation from Krishna.
Et les gopis ont senti beaucoup de sentiment de séparation avec Krishna.
And they were crying and crying and crying.
Ils pleuraient sans cesse.
And then they decided, if we search to Krishna, we cannot find out Krishna.
Et on cherche Krishna, on se dit, on ne va pas trouver.
Because Krishna is very cunning and naughty.
C'est espiègle.
If we search where is Krishna, Krishna will be here. So we cannot
directly find.
you cannot find out him also.
On ne peut pas le trouver si on cherche. Il est
So all the gopis, they say, what will do now?
faire maintenant.
We come on the bank of Jamuna.
Donc on va sur la rive de la mer.
And all we glorify the Krishna sweet pastimes.
Et ceux qui disent à glorifier l'histoire de Krishna.
Understand? Then Krishna will listen and our prayers.
C'est ainsi que Krishna entendra nos prières.
And then Krishna will appear in front of us.
Il apparaîtra devant nous.
And so then all the gopis, they came on the bank of the Jamuna
Tout rendu sur les rives de la Yamuna.
and they glorify Krishna's sweet pastimes with a very nice, beautiful melodies.
Ils ont chanté les gloires de Krishna sur des magnifiques mélodies.
Jayati te odhikam janmana praja srayata indira shasta atrahi Daita dikshutang dikshutaboka Rohiditang asavo Twang vichinati Saradadu dasai Sadhu jatasi Sarojasi judari श्रीमुषादृशा सुरथनाथस्ते शुल्कदासिका भरत निघ्नतु बद जलापायात बैल राक्षसा वर्ष मारुतात वैद्युतानला. So in this way, gopis, they also recited the sweet melodies and pastimes of Krishna.
Ainsi, les gopis ont chanté les divertissements, les magnifiques divertissements de Sri Krishna.
And then Krishna appeared in the assembly house of the gopis.
Et ainsi, il était apparu, Krishna est apparu à l'assemblée des gopis.
Tasang abhirva sauri smayamano mukham bhujam. Sukadeva Goswami Pad. When Krishna appeared in the assembly of the gopis,
Sukadeva Goswami dit dans ce verset, quand Krishna est apparu dans l'assemblée des gopis,
that time Sukadeva Goswami Pad became very angry also.
Sukadeva Goswami, à ce moment-là, il s'est fâché.
Sukadeva Goswami chastised to Krishna with sweet words.
Il a châtié Krishna avec de douces paroles.
Tasang abhirvi sauri smayamano mukham bhuja. When Krishna appeared in the assembly of the gopis, that time Sukadeva Goswami told, Hey Krishna, you are very cruel-hearted. But they use this word, sauri, means you are Kshatriya, you are not and Vaishya.
Sukadeva Goswami donc s'est fâché contre Krishna quand il est apparu au milieu des gopis. Il l'a qualifié de Soli, il a dit Kshatriya.
Because Kshatriya, they are very cruel-hearted.
Parce que les Kshatriyas sont très cruels.
They are very cruel-hearted or not? Kshatriya, they are all here, killing the people.
Kshatriyas sont très cruels, ils tuent,
Taking the gun,
ils les arment, ils tuent.
they are not thinking, and their families will be completely helpless. They are not thinking this.
Donc, on ne peut pas penser à toutes les familles qui vont venir, des familles éplorées.
Kshatriya understand? Those who are fighting armies,
Kshatriyas sont des militaires, des armes,
warrior, no?
pour y arriver.
They are thinking. Why Sukadeva Goswami had these gopis? How they completely surrendered to the feet of you?
Comment tu peux agir ainsi avec des gopis qui sont complètement abandonnés à toi?
They gave up all their household duties.
Ils ont tout abandonné leurs devoirs familiaux.
Pati sutannaya bhatri bandhava nati vilangate antachutta gataha. Gopis they told. So we gave up our husband, gave up our superiors, our children, everything, and completely surrendered to you.
Ils ont tout abandonné leurs maris, leurs enfants, leurs supérieurs pour se rendre auprès de Krishna, s'abandonner à lui.
And now you cheat to us.
Et maintenant, tu nous trompes, tu nous triches.
So for this regard, Sukadeva Goswami Pad, he told, and use this word, Sauri, mani Kshatriya, you are cruel-hearted.
Pourquoi Sukadeva Goswami utilisait pour désigner Krishna sur le mot Soli, cruel,
Kshatriya.
Kshatriya.
They do. So saying, Tasang uri Sauri, Smayamana mukham bhujam. Pitambara dhara sarvis. Sakshad manmatho. So just use this word this way. So when gopis they recited Gopi Gita, then Krishna appeared in front of the gopis.
Les gopis ont chanté la Gopi Gita, Krishna est apparu au milieu d'elles.
So this is the process how we'll attend to Lord.
La manière d'atteindre le Seigneur.
When you all together chant holy names,
Chantez tous ensemble les saints du Seigneur.
then Krishna will appear in front of you.
ainsi que Krishna apparaîtra
Hein?
à notre sein.
Pratik always saying, come Mangal Arati everybody.
Donc, il faut
Hein?
dire Mangalarti pour moi.
Otherwise, how possible Mangal will come?
Sinon, comment la bonne fortune nous
Hein?
viendra?
Mangal means auspicious.
Mangal signifie la bonne fortune.
If you not attend Mangal Arati, how possible Mangal will come?
Vous n'assistez pas à Mangalarti, comment vous allez trouver la bonne fortune?
Understand? He is listening to Bhaktivinoda Sai Maharaj. He is saying, everybody have to attend Mangal Arati.
On doit venir au Mangal.
Otherwise, how possible Mangal will come? All you are saying, give mercy, mercy, mercy. Mercy is coming in Mangal Arati. But not in coming in Mangal Arati.
Venir au Mangalarti pour obtenir.
Huh? You are doing, I am doing Mangal Arati in my house. But no. You have to do Mangal Arati in here, in that temple. Come everybody.
Certains disent, je fais le Mangalarti chez moi, mais non, il faut venir au temple pour faire.
Huh? Temple means is what? For everybody come together and pray to Lord.
Le temple, c'est le lieu où tout le monde se rassemble, tous les dévots se rassemblent.
Are your house the temple for your own? That is called personal. Ekaki, means alone.
Donc, pas avoir un temple pour soi seul.
A temple means all, everyone, everybody can come.
Le temple collectif où tout le monde peut venir.
Then Lord will listen.
C'est
This is the process also.
comme ça que le Seigneur entend. C'est la méthode.
Some people are saying, devotee will say, we have no Mangalarati, not people coming. Only they are unfortunate. No, everybody come Mangalarati in temple. This is important.
Moi, j'insiste en disant qu'il faut venir absolument.
Attend in Mangalarati. This is very important. So this is the teaching to us also. Where is your very nearest temple? Then you have to go there, attend Mangalarati.
Ceux qui habitent près du temple doivent venir. C'est une leçon.
Understand?
Ils doivent venir.
I heard at the time of Sai Maharaj, that time devotee also. Very far place, they are coming also, attend Mangalarati. That devotee have told themselves also. And now Mangalarati, only 2, 3, or maybe, what is his name, Maharaj alone, he saying. How many coming Mangalarati in your temple? Only. No. Everybody come. Those who are living very close to temple. Come Mangalarati. Temple means this way. Lord will listen to your prayer. And this is the process also. So you think, ekaki amar nahi paye bol harinam sankirtane. Tumi kripa kari shraddha bindu diya deha Krishna nama dhane. This is the process also. So, Hari Katha, Hari Nam. So saying, Nam Sankirtan, Sarve Militva Kirtanam iti Sankirtanam. Sarve Militva, and all the devotees together doing Nam Sankirtan. That is called Nam Sankirtan. Yeah, this is process also. Lord will listen to you. You will understand or not, just you moving your lips, Lord will listen to your prayer. Bhavagrahi Janardana. Lord, accept your mood, bhav. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Or I am going preaching. I will inspire to devotees. Everybody come in Mangalarati. This they come. Mangalarati is very important. Oh,
Maharaj, quel est le but de sa prédication? Pour inspirer les dévots à aller chanter ensemble. Sankirtan signifie le chant collectif ensemble des sonnets du Seigneur. Qu'il faut donc aller au temple et pas laisser Bhaktivedanta Maharaj faire Mangalarti tout seul.
They don't understand this mercy of Lord. Huh?
Si on comprend la miséricorde du Seigneur.
This is the process also. They don't understand. Just Maharaj also told, Lord, he is called also Atmaram, Aptakam. Understand? Gopi, they asked to Krishna. And tell to me. And one who is doing prem is doing prem. You love, he loves. And that prem is called what types of prem?
Business.
The business prem.
Donc l'amour qui réclame de l'amour en retour, c'est pas de l'amour, mais du commerce du business.
I love you, then you love me.
Je t'aime, alors c'est pour ça. Tu m'aimes, alors je t'aime.
That types of love is called business love.
Cet amour, c'est du commerce.
Hein?
Pas de-
Transactional.
Huh?
Transactional.
Transactional love, okay.
You give and then I give.
Actually, this is not the pure love. Or if you love or not love, they love to you. That is your parents.
Mais c'est pas le véritable amour. Le véritable amour, c'est que on aime, même si on n'est pas aimé en retour.
Actually, this is they are called parents. They are duty and responsibilities. They take care of their children.
Et comme les parents qui prennent soin de leurs enfants.
Or another, you love or not love, they never love anyone.
Une autre catégorie, qu'on l'aime ou qu'on les aime pas, de toute façon, ils n'aimeront personne.
And there are the 4 kinds of people are there.
Il y a 4 sortes de personnes.
If you love or not love, they don't love anyone.
Que vous les aimiez, une catégorie que vous l'aimiez ou que vous ne l'aimez pas, ils n'aiment personne.
They're called Atmaram, Aptakam, Gurudrahi, and Akritagga.
Cette catégorie, c'est Atmaram, Aptakam, Gurudrohi et
Akritagga.
Akritagya.
And let me understand Sanskrit meaning now, English. Atmaram, on which we are completely absorbed with Brahma. Atmaram, self-satisfied person.
Atmaram, c'est celui qui est complètement satisfait en lui-même.
Aptakam. And they're all his desires completely fulfilled.
Aptakam, c'est celui dont tous les désirs sont déjà satisfaits.
And if you make friendship with them, you cannot get any respect.
Donc, c'est une catégorie, si vous leur manifestez de respect et vous respectez aucunement.
Or Gurudrahi Aparadhi, those who criticize the Guru.
Gurudrohi, c'est ceux qui font des offenses envers le gourou.
That is called Aparadhi or offenders. Aparadhi.
Les offenseurs.
And if you also make friendship with them, and you cannot get any respect.
Si vous les fréquentez, vous n'aurez pas non plus
Or third, fourth, Akritagga,
le quatrième cercle.
an unreliable person, ungrateful person.
Qui sont pas reconnaissantes.
This is true. What will prove this? So Gopi, they asked to Krishna, tell to me, which one are you? Which category are you? Tell to me.
Catégorie, tu appartiens à quelle catégorie?
Then Krishna told, I am not belongs to in these categories, nothing.
Il dit, je n'appartiens à aucune de ces catégories.
And I am not Atmaram also and Aptakam.
Je suis ni Atmaram, ni Aptakam.
And self-satisfied and fulfill all your desires. I am not this person. If I am Atmaram Aptakam, why I am coming here in front of you?
Si j'étais Atmaram, Aptakam, pourquoi je serais là?
Gurudrahi, Krishna told, I never criticize my Guru.
Je ne sais pas non plus le Gurudrohi, je n'ai jamais critiqué le Guru.
Krishna took Diksha to whom? Who is his Guru? Are Bhaguri Rishi. Krishna, he took Diksha from Bhaguri Rishi. At Sandipuni, just he had in Dwarka, in Mathura Lila, he learned some Shastra. Understand? He said. But Krishna, he took Diksha mantra from Bhaguri Rishi. Ramchandra, he took Diksha from Vasishtha Rishi.
Ramchandra a pris Diksha de Vasishtha.
A Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he took Diksha from Ishar Parivar.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu a pris Diksha de
So now coming in this. So Krishna told, I never criticize my Guru Bhaguri Rishi. Huh? You understand this? So I am not Guru Drohi. Or another, Akritagga. Akritagga means ungrateful. I am not an ungrateful person.
Je suis pas non plus la quatrième catégorie des personnes ingrates.
Je jathamang prabhadyante stangtu vajamam. Krishna said, according to the surrender, I am also service to them.
Je dis dans le Bhagavad Gita qui relationne, qui récompense en fonction de son abandon.
But in Bhagavad, Krishna says to the gopis,
Dans le Bhagavatam, Krishna dit aux gopis,
no parehang nibaddhang sangjang sasadu kritta bevadu sapiva jama durja griha srinkala sangrishya pratijatu sadhuna. Krishna told, hey gopis, I never to repay your debts.
Krishna a dit aux gopis, je ne suis pas en mesure de vous rembourser la dette que j'ai contractée envers vous.
If I serve your lotus feet, the age of Brahma,
Du sais-je servir
understand?
Dieu vide.
The age of Brahma, Brahma is one day just called 1000 Chaturjuga. Sattva Trita Dapar Kali rotation 1000 times. That is called one day of Brahma. In this one night. So in this 1 day, 1 night, then 1 month, 1 year, then 100 years, the age of Brahma.
Donc l'âge de Brahma, ça veut dire une journée de Brahma, c'est 1000 yogas. Donc une nuit, c'est la même durée. Donc on compte un mois, donc il vit 100 ans. Donc c'est une durée.
So in this way, calculate how many days of Brahma. If I serve your lotus feet, I will never free from your debts.
Tu sais, je me servir pendant une vie de Brahma tout entière, au pied par les lotus, je ne pourrais pas vous rembourser.
I complete always was indebted of your prem. Bhagavate gopi preme apana ke kahe rini. Chaitanya Charitamrita. In Bhagavad, we clearly explain this. Krishna is saying, I am completely indebted to you.
C'est dans le Charitamrita, Krishna dit, je suis complètement endetté envers vous.
So this is the process of. So just I also explain this way. Then gopis they told, I love you and also you love us.
Gopis ont dit à Krishna, on t'aime et tu nous aimes aussi.
But I tell you, love is not bounded with any condition.
L'amour ne répond pas à aucune condition.
So, how to free from all these debts?
Comment se débarrasser de tout cet endettement?
Then Krishna, how will completely free from the debts of the gopis?
Donc Krishna doit rembourser cette dette envers les gopis.
You understand or not? If you take anything from someone, you have to take back with interest.
Si on prend quelque chose avec quelqu'un, il faudra le rembourser avec des intérêts.
And if you take 1 penny from someone, then you pay back with interest.
Un centime, 1 euro, on doit le rembourser avec des intérêts.
You give or not? You cannot get anything free.
On ne peut rien obtenir de gratuit.
Not business words. What is saying? Buy one, get one, free one. Who will give free?
On ne parle pas de ce genre d'opération.
That is a business language. Written here.
C'est le langage économique.
What is written? Buy one, get one, free.
Acheter un article.
The free, which one free?
Un gratuit.
You can take free one, but tell businessman, okay, to the market, supermarket, well, you are saying the free one, which one free? Well, first you buy, then I will free one.
D'abord, vous achetez, vous
But you not thinking.
arrivez.
You understand? That's the business language just. So I am saying this, in this material world, you will not get anything free. Then, but Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, what is saying? I am giving free.
Dans ce monde matériel, on n'obtient rien de gratuit, mais Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, il est venu pour nous donner distribuer gratuitement.
Lord Chaitanya says, Enechi Ausodhi Maya Nasibar Lagi Harina Mahamantra Lautami Magi. I brought highest medicine from Golok Vrindavan.
J'ai apporté le remède, le plus beau remède de Golok Vrindavan.
And now I am giving this medicine to you. Take this medicine.
Je donne ce remède à tout le monde.
How will, to free from Maya.
On se débarrasser des Maya.
Harinam, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Those who receive Diksha mantra, this is free actually. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave to you. Guru Vaishnava, they give it. But you don't understand. What is this? Oh, Gurudev gave me just Neem Mala or Tulsi Mala.
Donc on reçoit aussi gratuitement l'initiation, la deuxième initiation, mais on ne comprend pas ce qu'on reçoit, on pense qu'on a reçu juste le Japamala.
Hare, not Tulsi Mala, Japamala, this is Harinam.
C'est pas Tulsi Mala, mais là c'est le Harinam qu'on reçoit.
You have to pay back, Gurudev.
Huh?
You have to pay back.
No need payback. You chant holy name. Free, take this. Mahaprabhu is saying, take. I brought from Golok Vrindavan. But I did not see any buyer. Will buy. Any customers I am not looking. So now I am giving free. Take this. 6 types of people, they don't want to receive. This highest thing. The Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also chasing behind him. Also, if anybody not take, what will do? Take. Well, no, I will not take. They run away. 6 types of people, they don't want to take this thing, available things. Who are they? 6 persons? Mayavadi, Korministha, Karmanistha, Ninduk, Kutarkik, and Podua Pandit. এই 6 পাপি ধাইয়া পলাইল তাহা লাগে পিছে প্রভু নিচে দৌড়াইল 6 types of people, they don't want to receive Mahaprabhu with this mercy, prem.
6 catégories de personnes ne veulent pas recevoir la miséricorde, etc.
And impartialist Mayavadi, those who want to merge in Brahma.
Mayavadi, les impersonnalistes qui veulent se fondre au monde de Brahma.
Mahaprabhu also chasing behind to them. Take this. Or Kutarkik, those who are logician, or the material logic there to establish that logic.
Et ceux qui ont placé leur foi dans la logique.
Mahaprabhu also defeat to them.
Mahaprabhu veut absolument leur donner cela aussi.
Those are only collect the knowledge.
Ceux qui veulent simplement ramasser du
Adham.
savoir.
Many people, they collect the knowledge. Not practicing nothing.
Pratique rien, aucune sadhana, mais ils veulent simplement amasser la connaissance et le savoir.
But Mahaprabhu was way, no, take this pain, Braja pain.
Mahaprabhu, il veut pourtant leur donner le pain.
So, Ninduk, some also that criticize also. Mahaprabhu said, no, don't worry, take this.
Tous ceux qui critiquent aussi, Mahaprabhu veut leur donner le savoir.
Pasandi, those who are very hard-hearted, they are not accept the Vedas.
Ceux qui refusent les Védas, qui critiquent les Védas.
Mahaprabhu also give the prem to them. And Kodua already told. Karmanishta, some people, they also believe about karma.
Ceux qui ont foi en le karma, l'action.
But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also gave mercy.
Mahaprabhu veut aussi.
Gaur Sundar is giving you, take this. Okay. So I am saying this, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in this age with this prem to everybody.
C'est ainsi que Chaitanya Mahaprabhu distribue le prême.
But which prem Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving?
Quelle sorte de prême il distribue?
Not ordinary prem Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving.
Pas un prême ordinaire,
Not Vaikuntha prem,
pas le prême de Vaikuntha,
not the prem of Ayodhya,
pas celui d'Ayodhya,
not the prem of Dwarkapuri, not the prem of Mathura.
pas non plus celui de Mathura,
Not only the prem of Golok also.
pas seulement le prême de Goloka.
Lord Chaitanya is giving the prem of Vrindavan. Braja
Il
prem.
distribue le prême de Raj.
And especially Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu distributed the highest prem.
Mahaprabhu distribue le plus haut amour qui soit.
That is called Manjari Bhav. Mahaprabhu is giving. Before Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, no one discussed this Manjari Bhav also.
Avant Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, avant l'avènement de Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, personne discutait de ce Raja Prem.
No, Manjari Bhav.
Avant Chaitanya
Before Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, no one discussed about Manjari Bhav.
Mahaprabhu, personne ne connaissait, ne parlait de Manjari Bhav.
Vidyapati Chandidas, Jayadev Goswami, they also manifest Braja Prem Katha, many Rasa Katha in their Grantha. This is true.
Le poète comme Chandidas Vidyapati avait aussi parlé de Prem
Gita Govindam, Jayadev Goswami Pal,
dans son
highest Grantha.
Govinda de Jayadeva Goswami.
Highest mode is there. But Manjari Bhav not discuss this.
Sentiment très élevé sont dans ces ouvrages, mais pas dans Manjari Bhav.
Vidyapati Chandidas, in their Grantha, they also discuss this thing.
Vidyapati Chandidas également discuté.
But they did not discuss about highest mode, Manjari Bhav.
Il n'a pas parlé du sentiment le plus élevé pour Manjari Bhav.
For Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he distributed the highest prem through Rupa Goswami Pad, Raghunath Das Goswami.
Mahaprabhu a distribué ce plus haut amour à travers ses amours Goswami et
So for this, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu introduced this prem. Highest prem to giving to everyone. Take this.
il a distribué ainsi le plus haut amour qui soit à tous les êtres.
You may understand or not, no problem. Just take, keep.
Vous comprenez, vous ne comprenez pas, prenez-le quand même.
Understand? Take the Bhagavad Gita, just keep in your house, no problem.
Prenez la Bhagavad Gita, regardez-la chez vous. Pas de problème.
Keep in your house. You read or not, no problem. Just keep in your house.
Ah, c'est pas grave,
Hein?
regardez-la chez vous.
Then one day you realize also.
Le jour où vous verrez.
Because Grantha means is not just a book. Grantha means a direct manifestation of Lord.
Ce n'est pas un simple livre ordinaire, c'est la manifestation du Seigneur suprême.
Here many books are not.
Il y a beaucoup de livres
Granthas.
ici,
Our Goswami's Grantha, Gurudev Granthas,
des livres de-
and also different Granthas, books. Just to keep in your house. If you say, oh, I have no time to read, no problem. Just keep.
Vous pouvez garder simplement chez vous, même si vous n'avez pas le temps de lire.
And you just one day, and you also put in your, what is called?
Chef,
Bookshelf. And do pranam. No
vous pouvez
problem.
mettre sur votre étagère et les adorer aussi.
It's true. Then one day this book also will give mercy to you.
Le jour, si vous vous donneront leur miséricorde.
Because this Grantha is non-different from Krishna. Non-different Srimati Radhika.
Si vous ne diffèrent pas du Seigneur, je sais que
You try to understand this way. So I am saying this thing, Lord Chaitanya, so Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu destroyed the highest prem. Take this. Because in this Kali Yuga, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he destroyed the highest prem to everybody.
Maharaj dit ça parce que Chaitanya Mahaprabhu a distribué le plus haut amour qui soit à tous les êtres dans ce qu'il voulait.
Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself tested. Oh, this is very sweet.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu lui-même l'a goûté et
Hein?
trouvé que c'était super.
Partika Gaur Govinda Goswami Maharaj explained. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu raised one hand this way. Or another hand in down. Why? He's checking, testing. Highest prem, Radha prem. And he distributed.
Et le Govinda Maharaj a expliqué pourquoi Chaitanya Mahaprabhu il a une main levée et l'autre baissée. Celle qui est levée, ça signifie qu'il goûte ce plaît, et la main qui est baissée, ça signifie qu'il distribue ce plaît.
For this regard, Narahari Sarkar, he also sang one song also. Narahari Sarkar, he sang one song. Jadi Gauranga noita, tabhe ki hoita, kemone doritam de. Ar Radharo Mohima, prema rasa sima, jagate janata ke. Jadi Gauranga noita, tabhe ki hoita, kemone doritam de. Har Radhar Mohima, prema rasa sima, jagate janata ke. We are singing same way. Jadi Narayana noita, tabhe ki hoita, kemone doritam de. Radharo Mohima, prema rasa sima, jagate janata ke. Now come. Gau puna puna, Gaurangera guna, sarala hoiya mano. Now come. Gau puna puna, Narayane guna, sarala hoiya mano. Try to understand this. If Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would not appear in this age of Kali,
Si Chaitanya Mahaprabhu n'était pas apparu dans cet âge de Kali,
how realize the highest frame of Srimati Radhika?
comment on aurait pu réaliser l'amour le plus élevé, celui de Srimati Radhika?
We are discussing about the Radha Tattva, this is true.
Ça, c'est le sujet donc de la
But how will realize the highest divine love of Srimati Radhika?
Comment réaliser ce très haut amour?
How realize this? So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu discovered all these things.
Si Chaitanya Mahaprabhu il a révélé toutes ces choses.
And all these things also invested in the heart of Rupa Goswami Pad.
Il a révélé concernant le cœur de Rupa Goswami.
And Rupa Goswami Pad, he gave all these things in the heart of Raghunath Das Goswami Pad and Jiva Goswami Pad.
Goswami a révélé toutes ces choses-là, a transmis toutes ces choses dans le cœur de Raghunath Das Goswami. Jiva Goswami.
And so then Jiva Goswami Pad gave to Narottam Samananda Srinivas. In this our Guru Parampara is coming.
Donc Jiva Goswami a donné ça à Narottam Srinivas, et ainsi notre Guru Parampara est né.
So for the Narottam Das Thakur very humbly he also glorified about Rupa Goswami Pad.
Comme ça, glorifié de manière très humble.
Sri Chaitanyang Manobhistang Stapitang Jana Bhutale Sayang Rupa Kadamajjang Dadati Sapadantika. Rupa Goswami Pad, who fulfilled all the desires of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Goswami comme ça a comblé tous les désirs et exaucé tous les désirs parce qu'il était alors.
So when I will receive the wonder sprinkled mercy of Rupa Goswami or Rupa Manjari?
Quand recevrai-je la miséricorde de Manjari?
This is our aim and object of this. So in the same way, Srila Gurudev Narayana Goswami Maharaj. If Narayana Goswami Maharaj would not appear in this Kali Yuga, very rare person realize about this Manjari Bhava Tattva.
De la même manière que Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu est venu révéler tout ça, aussi c'est la moitié des membres de Narayana Goswami Maharaj est venu. S'il n'était pas apparu, comment on aurait pu réaliser toutes ces choses au sujet de Manjari?
Though there are many great acharyas, they are such, this is true. I pay my obeisance at their lotus feet.
Il y a évidemment beaucoup de grands acharyas que je respecte, auxquels j'offre mon hommage respectueux.
But when we read the books of Srila Gurudev Narayana Goswami Maharaj, then our heart melted. The Gurudev, what did he explain? All his tattva, siddhanta, rasa madhurya in his grantha and his lecture also.
Mais comme Maharaj dit, quand il a lu les livres de Srila Gurudev, son cœur a fondu. Parce que dans ces livres-là sont expliqués tous les tattvas.
This is true. So for the যদি নারায়ণ নাহি তো তবে কি হইত কেমনে ধরিতাম দে রাধার মহিমা প্রেম রস সীমা জগতে জানাতে So Gurudev lecture Hari Katha you can listen. That is called, what is called? Incredible. Unparalleled. And heartful method.
Donc les livres, les ouvrages de Srila Bhaktivedanta Narayana Swami
Incomparable.
Maharaj, ces lectures sont incomparables et sans égal.
Many Acharya they speaking Hari Katha. Is it true? Highest Katha, Rasa Katha, Madhuri Katha, everything is true. But when we listen, Gurudev Hari Katha, then that is called unparalleled.
Évidemment, beaucoup d'acharyas ont énoncé différents tattvas et parlé de beaucoup de choses, et donc on les respecte, mais lorsqu'on lit les ouvrages et les lectures de Srila Bhaktivedanta Narayana Swami Maharaj, notre cœur fond littéralement.
So you are very lucky. And anyhow you connect with Srila Gurudev.
Donc on est très fortuné et d'une manière ou d'une autre on est en lien avec Srila Gurudev.
Direct, indirect, anyhow, connect. Current is coming. Understand? And this light, and also this light is coming from where? It looks same. Look like small, but same current is here also. Understand? If you touch the wire, then you feel or not? Electric shock coming or not? You think, oh, this is small, nothing. You touch this, or if this big light also. Touch. Both are same power.
C'est comme le courant électrique, donc si on touche un câble électrique, on va prendre une décharge électrique. Ce courant électrique, il est le même dans un câble, il est le même une lampe, c'est le même courant. Donc si on est en contact chez le Gurudev, d'une manière ou d'une autre, on bénéficiera de son influence.
So for this I'm saying this way. Gaur Kripa, the mercy of Gaur Sundar. Gaura Kripa. Gaura Prema Rashar Nave Setarange Jebadube se Radha Madhavantara. One who completes the submerge in the ocean of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Guru Kripa, c'est donc la miséricorde de Sri Gauranga Mahaprabhu qui nous s'immerge totalement dans sa miséricorde.
And he will receive the combined form of divine Radha and Krishna.
Donc on recevra comme ça la forme combinée de Radha et Krishna.
So if you surrender Sachinandan Gaur Hari,
Si on s'abandonne à Sri Sachinandan Gaur Hari,
then automatically Radha Prem will manifest in your heart.
automatiquement l'amour de Radha sera dans notre cœur.
This is the process also. I will surrender to Sachinandan Gaur Hari.
Le processus commence à s'abandonner avec Sachinandan Gaur Hari.
So for this regard, this verse is Jatha Jatha Gauro Padar Binde Binde tu Bhakti Kitapunna Punja Tatha Tatha Sapri Hidi Akasmat Radha Padambujo Swadhamburasi. Radha Prem automatically manifest in you.
Donc ce verset illustre comment Radha Prem se manifestera en nous.
Yes. So say Gaura Prema Rasar Nave Se Tarange Jivadve Se Radha Madhavantara. So in this way you surrender to Sachinandan Gaur Hari.
Donc il faut nous abandonner au Seigneur, c'est comme
Slowly chant. Jadi Gauranga Noita Tabe ki hoita Kemone Dhori Tamde Are Radha Ramoima Prema Rasa Sima Jagate Janat Ke Jagate Janat Ke Radha Mohima Prema Rasa Sima Jagate Janat Ke मधुर वृंदा विपिन माधुरी प्रवेश चतुरी सार मधुर वृंदा विपिन माधुरी प्रवेश चातुरी सार ब्रज गो ब्रजेर जुवती भावेर सकती सकती होइतकार ब्रजेर जुवती भावेर भकती सकती होइतकार गाओ पुनः पुनः गौरांगेर गुण सरल होइया मन ए भाव सागरे ए मन दयाल न देखी जे कजन गौरांग बोलिया नगेनु गोलिया केमने धरिनु दे अरे नर हरिया ओषान दिया केमने गड़िया छे केमने गड़िया छे very nice beautiful song glorification of magnificent of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Une magnifique glorification par Maharaj Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Or this is the glorification of our Gurudev also.
Et aussi la glorification de notre maître.
What we are speaking, that same Katha is Gurudev is speaking. We are not speaking. All our Guru Parampara. This coming in this. But some people they are thinking, oh, in our no Guru Parampara. And they criticize. They are offenders, aparadhi.
Donc, tout descend à travers le groupe Parampara, et certains prétendent qu'on n'a pas de groupe Parampara, ce sont des offenseurs.
Understand? So should not associate with them. Those who say they have no Guru Parampara, they are offender, aparadhi.
Donc, ceux qui prétendent qu'on n'a pas de groupe Parampara, nous offensent et on ne doit pas prendre leur compagnie.
Very carefully. And what is called? And associate them. Avoid to them.
Donc, il faut faire très attention de les éviter, de ne pas prendre leur compagnie.
And those who are saying, oh, you have no Guru Parampara. So for this regard, Gurudev, he wrote one grantha. That is called Five Essence of Essence. Okay? Pramanta Panchakam. You read this grantha.
Donc, je l'ai lu,
Everything.
5 essais essentiels. Avant de la Panchaka.
Understand? This book is very important. Everybody have to read.
Tout le monde doit le lire.
And otherwise you will be Gosaja, Soki, Veki, Smarta Brahmana Sampradaya.
Sinon, vous risquez de finir dans une impasse derrière.
So Gurudev, he manifested this grantha, very nice, beautiful grantha.
Donc, Gurudev a donc écrit ce livre, très très beau livre.
So maybe in this bookstall, they have or not.
Peut-être qu'il est ici, à ce stand.
So this
Là,
book.
Krishna Bhakti,
In French
aussi,
also.
il a été traduit en français aussi.
Everybody have to read this grantha. They don't understand. Otherwise, these Kali Yugas, many upper sampradayas, smarta specialists, smarta brahmanas, honestly, coming from Vrindavan, they are showing, oh, we are this, and Goswamis, this line, this. They disturb your mind also.
Donc, tout le monde doit lire ce livre.
So very carefully this.
Pour lutter contre les Apasampradaya, notamment les Smarta Brahman, mais qui prétendent qu'ils ont une lignée de Goswami.
So I request you, everybody read this grantha, Gurudev this grantha.
Donc, insiste que tout le monde doit lire ce livre-là.
And Tattva Siddhanta Rasa Grantha, everything is there.
Toutes les vérités sont contenues dans ce livre.
So what do you know? Gao Puna Puna Narayanir Guna. Always glorify about Srila Gurudev Narayana Goswami Maharaj.
On glorifie toujours Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj.
Understand? So saying Jai Dao, Guru Dever Jai Dao, Jai Dao. Oh Jai Dao, Narayan Goswami Jai Dao. जय दाओ वामन गोस्वामी जय दाओ जय दाओ केशव गोस्वामी जय दाओ जय दाओ स्वामी महाराज जय दाओ जय दाओ भक्ति शांत प्रभु पादे जय दाओ भक्ति शांत जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा Jai what is the joy? The many give the joy. All glories to Guru Pad. All they give joy. Jai Gurudev ki joy. Then automatically Radha Prem will manifest in your heart.
Jai Shri Gurudev ki
Then your heart will become Vrindavan. Now come in these slokas. What? Radha Karavachita Pallava Vallari ke Radha Padanka Vilasita Madhura Sthali ke Radha Jaso Mukha Matta Khaga Bali ke Radha Bihar Vipinam Ramatang Manome. Learn everybody this sloka. Very nice, beautiful this sloka. How he glorifies about Srimati Radhika. Everybody learn this part.
Tout le monde va apprendre ce verset et la gloire de Srimati Radhika.
Radha Karavachita Pallava Ballarike. If you go Vrindavan everywhere, you can see the Radha Karavachita Pallava, all the creepers, golden creepers planted by Srimati Radhika.
Vrindavan, si vous y allez, vous allez pouvoir voir toutes les plantes grimpantes plantées par la Srimati Radhika elle-même.
Have you been Vrindavan or not?
Est-ce que vous êtes déjà allé à Vrindavan ou pas?
Ji. What do you say? Ji. If you go Vrindavan, you can see everywhere is there. The golden creepers that were planted by Srimati Radhika. So the Prabhupada Saraswati Pad composed this bar. Radha Karavachita Pallava Vallari ke Srimati Radhika.
Vous y verrez aussi à Vrindavan tous les oiseaux qui glorifient Srimati Radhika.
So saying this, Radha Jaso Mukha Matta Khaga Bali ke. All the birds, they are not only chirping, what they are singing? Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. Kushata Kakila, Hansa, Sarsa, Gana, Krina, Mayura, Kuli. All the birds. And peacock, peahen, all they are chanting her. Radhe, Radhe, Radhe.
Tous les oiseaux, quelle que soit leur espèce, ils ne font pas que gazouiller ou chanter dans leur langage, mais ils chantent les gloires de Srimati Radhika, le nom de Srimati Radhika.
And so if you go to Vrindavan, nobody want chant Krishna Nam. What are they chanting? Radhe! They are not chanting Radhe. Are they chant Radhe? Or maybe they are not chanting. Oh, Prabhuji, chant Radhe!
Personne chante le nom de Krishna, on chante le nom de Radha.
Don't watch your mobile. Now chant Radhe!
Regardez pas vos téléphones portables et chantez le nom de Radha.
Because some people are looking the mobile. I don't know, look at it. Chant Radhe! So it's in this way. And if you go Vrindavan, we sing this Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. Then Radha Viharo Vipinam Ramatam Manotomi. My mind always is roaming, wandering the place where Srimati Radhika, she performs sweet amar pastimes with her beloved Krishna.
Mon mental erre dans tous les endroits où Srimati Radhika, elle se livre à ses divertissements amoureux avec Shri Krishna.
A nice beautiful so Radha Rasudaniti and Prabhupada Saraswati Pad manifested this.
Ça, c'est dans l'ouvrage de Radharasa Sudhanidhi de Prabhupada Saraswati.
Understand? Then one grantha also manifests, very nice, beautiful. That is called Sapta Sindhu Gunavati Srimati Radhika.
Maharaj présente
Sapta Sindhu Gunavati Sri Radha. Srimati Radhika, 7 ocean of divine love.
l'amour de Srimati Radhika.
Very nice, beautiful this grantha. And also this grantha is just one sloka from Prabhupada Saraswati Radha Sudhanidhi and glorified. Whole books is what? The glorification of one sloka, Radharani.
Tout le livre, il y a une glorification d'un seul verset de Radharasa.
Baro Radha, Srimati Radharani ki. Why I am saying? Because our Ishtadev now, before I told our Ishtadev Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sacinandana Gaurhari. And who is Sacinandana Gaurhari? Is the combined form of Radha and Krishna. But now our Gauriya Vaishnava means they are the devotee of Srimati Radhika.
Maharaj dit ça parce que tout à l'heure on a dit que notre Ishtadev c'est Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, mais qui est Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, la forme combinée de Radha et Krishna. Les Gaudiya Vaishnava adorent tout particulièrement Srimati Radhika.
And Gauriya means is that those who are the devotee of Gauri Srimati Radhika, they are called Gauriya.
Les Gaudiya, ce sont ceux qui adorent Gauri, qui est Srimati Radhika.
You understand? Those who worship Ganesh, they are called Ganapatta. Those who worship Shiva, they are called Saiva. Those who worship sun god, they are called Saura. Those who worship Shakti, they are called Shakta. Those who worship only Krishna, they are called Karshni. Those who worship Gauri Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika, one name is called Gauri also. They are called Gauri.
C'est Gauri, donc ceux qui adorent Srimati Radhika sont des Gauriya, ceux qui adorent Krishna sont des Krishna, ceux qui adorent Vishnu sont des Vaishnava, ceux qui adorent Ganesh sont des Ganapata, et Shiva des Shiva.
So who is our Ishtadev now? Bhalo Radha Rani ki jai. बोले राधा मेरी स्वामिनी, मैं राधिन को दास, जन्म जन्म मोहि दियो वृंदावन को दास. Srimati Radhika says, my mistress. I am completely surrendered his heart, lotus feet. Time over. Understand? And one pointed with the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika, Radha Nishta.
Concentration va uniquement occuper le truc de Srimati.
These are things. Srimati Radhika, three types of Sakhis also. And one type of is called Krishna Nishta Sakhi. Some Sakhis of Srimati Radhika, they are inclined to Krishna.
Krishna Nishta Sakhi qui sont inclinés envers Srimati.
They are called Krishna Nishta Sakhi. They serve Srimati Radhika, but they are Nishta towards Krishna. For this God, they are called Krishna Nishta Sakhi.
Servent bien Srimati Radhika, mais ils sont inclinés envers Krishna.
That is called Brinda, Brindarika, Dhanishta. They are called Krishna Nishta Sakhi. They serve Brinda Devi, she served to Srimati Radhika. Is it true? But her Nishta towards Krishna. Or another Ubhay Nishta. Some Sakhi, they serve both Radha and Krishna. For this God, they are called Ubhay Nishta Sakhi. Ubhay means both Radha and Krishna. They are called Lalita, Visakha. They are Ubhay Nishta Sakhi. Or one kind of Sakhi is the complete, only absolutely one pointed with Srimati Radhika, Radha Nishta. They never independently meet with Krishna also. And where is Radha? These Sakhis are always Srimati Radhika.
Où se trouve Radha, c'est Saki, qui avec elle,
Hein?
together.
Understand? As like shadow and body. Chaya and kaya.
De la même manière que le corps et son ombre.
And your hand is going and it is shadow is here now. Where is your hand is going, automatically your shadow falling.
Elles sont l'ombre de Srimati Radhika.
In the same way, those who are manjaris means they are only one pointed with Srimati Radhika. That is called Radha Nishta Sakhi.
Donc ce sont les Radha Nishta Saki, c'est Manjari qui savent exclusivement Srimati Radhika.
For this regards, all the mood of Srimati Radhika manifested in their heart.
Tous les sentiments, toutes les émotions de Srimati Radhika sont manifestes en ce moment.
Maybe tomorrow we'll discuss more.
Demain,
But there is deep meaning also.
c'est un sujet très profond.
I am saying because actual Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu displayed this prema Manjari Bhav.
Celui qui est un membre
How to one pointed with Srimati Radhika.
une dévotion complètement exclusive.
So for the Nishtha iti upajaya premera tarang. When Nishtha will come, then prema automatically manifest in your heart.
Pour faire la se manifeste arrive, alors le prême se manifeste.
You try to understand. Again also explain Srimati Radhika 5 types of Sakhis also.
C'est une sorte de Saki.
One is Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Priya Sakhi, Prishta Sakhi and Prana Prishta Sakhi. Nitya Sakhi and Prana Sakhi, actually they are called Manjaris.
Les Nitya Saki, les Prana Saki sont les Manjari.
If you want to know, read Jayavadma Grantha.
Si vous voulez en savoir plus, vous voulez me dire.
Or you can read also Armamida, Jewels of the Heart, this book also read.
Aussi le livre que Maharaj a écrit, qui s'appelle Jewels of the Heart, les joyaux du cœur.
Very nice. Explain all the evidence from scriptures.
Avec toutes les preuves scripturaires.
Also this book also giving the all manjaris, they are also identification. Pranam mantra, how to meditate to them, everything is there.
Comment méditer sur Srimati? Tout est
8 Sakhis,
les huit
their mantra also is there. How to meditate there, what is their identification, everything.
toutes leurs identités, toutes leurs caractéristiques.
You have passport or not? Your passport, your name, your father's name, your mother's name. Where is your birth, date of birth, everything is there. Just click, then all your data automatically come.
De la même manière que vous avez un passeport avec toutes les coordonnées, toutes les données vous concernant, de la même manière ici.
So in the same way, if you read this book, all our Guru Parampara identity automatically come. Guru Parampara, everything is there. Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Read this book, very nice. Collect many granthas and then manifest this book.
Lisez ce livre-là parce que il rassemble beaucoup de.
This grantha made how many years? About 5 years. After 5 years, every year, collect. Hello, Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Jai Jai Sri Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki Bolo Radhe 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 Jai 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 Sri Radhe Radha Rani ki Jai Maharani ki Jai महारानी की जय राधा रानी की जय रानी की जय महारानी की महारानी की जय राधा रानी की जय बोलो राधे 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 जय जय राधे
भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज की